fucking god.
Wait. There's a recipe
Crispy
book.
bun.
So 2 nuggets cooked. Oh, so these are nuggies.
Yes, we're making nuggets. We're not making burgers.
They're just
Get them out of
standing
there.
there. Jonathan,
Yeah, because we need to
turn around.
give him his order.
Alright, let's have a competition, right? Whoever wins gets a
This
prize.
is a
What's the
PlayStation.
prize?
Oh, okay,
Oh.
okay.
Cheeseburger.
Oh.
Are we supposed
Cheese.
to get a cheeseburger?
Burger.
Alright, whoever wins gets a prize, right? So what's the prize, boys?
No idea.
How do I, what?
Okay.
Oh.
How do you melt
Patty.
stuff?
We're making
A cheeseburger.
Oh, you need cheese for
Okay.
that, huh?
Yeah, makes sense.
Oops.
Is this ready? I
that
can't tell if
butter?
it's ready.
Latte.
I can't place things down for the show.
Cheze.
Oh, that's
Hi,
burnt.
John. Is this... Hi, John.
I'm just gonna leave that in the corner. Alright.
Everything will be fine. Ah! My shit's on fire!
Eh. What a loser.
Fine, it's fine. Is there a fire extinguisher anywhere? Don't
How do I
worry,
make a
everything's
cheeseburger?
fine.
How do I do this?
Dude, just don't
But
suck.
I don't even know.
John, not John. Robert, you're literally doing the exact same thing I'm doing.
Does this count?
Okay, someone's stuff is burning.
Oh, I'm stupid.
Oh, wait, am I supposed to cook the bun? Oh. My
Oh,
cheeseburger's
there's-
on the floor.
Okay,
Oh yeah,
thanks.
probably.
You're welcome.
Make the buns a little toasty.
Little toasty. Little
There's
toasty.
cheese. There's cheese.
Wait, it's
Lord.
spinning to my side! This isn't fair!
It worked. It worked. It worked.
Whoa,
It
whoa,
worked.
whoa, 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 that's so BS!
Except, did you put the cheese on the bottom?
No.
Hey, can I have a fire extinguisher? Oh, there's one.
Have one on
Oh god, I can't let Cameron beat us.
No, it's because he actually works for a fast food.
I don't.
Okay.
It's just that simple.
Oh, let's go! Damn
How
it,
did
Jonathan!
How does it accept? No, accept. Do I need to cook the buns? I need to cook the buns, don't I?
Did you? You didn't cook the
Yeah.
buns.
You need to
Don't worry, you got this.
get on the table, get over here, and on my chest, you're gonna stand right down.
Here, no, here, and you're gonna like it like this. It's a deconstructed cheese sandwich. Yeah, that's right. Deconstructed. What do you want? Another cheeseburger? Okay.
I think we're only making
That's
cheeseburgers.
fun.
If
Yeah, I
that's
think
the
I'm
case.
burgers right now.
Which makes it way easier.
Oh, I lost my knife.
Uh-oh.
It didn't look like a cheeseburger, but you know who
It works.
How do I know they're toasted? That's how I know they're toasted.
Yeah, they're like fucking yellow as shit.
Come on.
Your
Toast.
boy-
Toast, 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 toast. Cut. Eh.
my
You know
shit is
what?
cutting.
Let's see if this works.
At least.
Oh my
No.
god, it works.
Ow!
Alright.
Wait, what did you
I
do?
want to do that one more time. One more time. Oh, I clicked the
Yeah,
wrong
yeah.
game.
Different game mode. Not making burgers, making some card, like pizza.
Oh, yeah. Let's cook that pizza, man.
Whoops, I forgot to read it.
I'm gonna cook you a pizza.
Gonna. How many innuendos can we make?
Oh no,
no.
$125.
Wait, why is it's so much smaller than before? Oh my god.
Yeah, but it's more. Oh, this is so.
Oh my
Wait,
god,
what
it's a
makes-
maze.
No.
It's a maze.
Wait, who are we
Okay,
missing?
okay. Who's in charge of orders?
Alright. You want a
I
pizza
hate
di Bella and a pizza mozzarella. Oh, that's nice. They have the
I-
orders right there. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool.
Yeah, I found where,
uh,
where we order the food. I'm ordering shit. I'm ordering.
How,
what
How
do
how
you need?
do I
Mozzarella
open?
di
Oh,
Bala.
here,
we need dough.
fuck.
I'm buying everything. I'm buying
Watch out,
everything.
watch out, watch out.
Where's the food coming in?
Drop it. Drop.
By the way, I
No, no,
cannot
no,
open
that's
the computer,
need?
so
What do we need?
I already bought everything. I already
we
bought
got
everything.
stuff.
What?
Come
what
outside
do
with
people
me.
want? What do people
Come
want?
outside.
We had
It's got
tomato
every
sauce,
box.
but
What the hell do
okay.
we do with this dough ball? Do I put it in here?
Put it in. Put it in. Yeah.
I
Oh,
got
okay.
I got supplies.
Let's put them on. Can we put
what's a
them on the floor? I'm
Diviola?
gonna put it on the
Yeah, put
floor.
them on the floor. Put them on the floor.
Oh,
Actually, I'm
mozzarella
gonna
cheese
put it in the
is
fridge.
cooked.
I'm gonna put it in the fridge.
What the hell is
Do you
it?
think so
Wait,
bad?
I don't know what you want.
I
Get.
got mozzarella.
Get outta here. Shoot. Whoa.
At least spread the pizza sauce. Oh, with the
This
ladle.
looks too hard,
ladle.
Kaimana. I don't want to do this.
Put the ladle in. And say pizza see a ladle.
Well, okay. We need 2 people in different areas.
Magic.
Let go of the fucking thing.
Okay, I'm gonna start placing the mouse traps right next to our customers'
I
feet.
hate you so fucking much.
Hello, what would you like? Yes, yes, yes. There's 6 seconds on the pizza mozzarella.
I'm trying right now. I just can't. I
Our
Our
can't.
customer
Why?
has left.
I'm taking the match. I'm taking the match.
It's okay. I gave them a. They
Oh
didn't
my
want my
fucking
mouse
God.
trap. Come back.
I'm going to.
Why can I crouch
How
in
do
this
I-
game?
Why is there a pan? How do I cut?
We don't have a
Pizza.
stove, do we?
The pizza oven right here.
No.
Yeah,
Why would we need a pan?
What do you mean a pan? I got that.
Oh my god, how much
Look at
clap
that.
did you buy?
Pizza.
Here, I'm feeding them whatever we can find.
Pizza.
Prosciutto. You don't want
Oh,
anything
do we need
yet?
more wood?
No, I don't think we need wood right now.
Put the tin can in the oven, yes!
We're one of those make-it-yourself pizza places, you know?
That is not what I mean.
We'll just dump a bunch of ingredients on their tables. If they're not satisfied, that's their problem.
No, don't leave. You can't leave.
Here. Let's try.
Are people leaving, James?
Yes.
Here, put mouse traps by the door.
Smart.
Wait, there's an actual mouse here. Hey, you guys want to eat this?
What?
Oh, is this how we order food?
No. Stop.
No, I actually didn't know how to order your food.
Okay.
All
Okay,
cheese.
check.
Mine.
I want to see if this is my
Mine.
order or your order.
Robin, please.
I don't
for the
have it
love of
anymore.
God.
I'm part of the
No,
order.
it's my order.
Where the hell is my cheese?
Well, let's get my order first, and we'll worry about your order after.
Jeez.
Take the
Alright,
pepperoni.
we're coming
You know,
with
if
all
we
the
actually
pepperoni.
made this like systematic, it probably would actually work out well.
This would
No,
actually
for
work.
the content.
Why is there a pizza behind the trash can?
Everyone is just so dead.
Guys, I have an
don't worry.
idea. Let's toss
Alright,
everything. Let's toss everything in the trash can. Okay? We'll burn the place down, collect the insurance money, and get a new restaurant.
A burger restaurant.
I'm
Why?
slamming his
Why
head
not?
against the floor.
I don't. How do you get the pizza on a plate?
What are you...
Okay, we have this, right?
Okay.
How do we get it onto the plate?
Okay, I have an idea. Okay, so we... Oh, give me that?
Hey.
No.
Wait a
how do I
minute.
pick it
No
up?
fucking way. Wait, I figured it out. I figured it out.
Is it just like right
Wait,
click or something?
have
No.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
right
let go.
click.
Served anyone?
No,
Wait.
we serve no
Robin,
one.
Give me the thing.
Oh my god.
Give me this.
Hey,
Hello, what would you like?
you've been
Let's go.
served.
Oh my god. I figured it out.
What? How do you do
Here you
it?
guys go.
Oh,
I don't give a shit. You... Okay. I'm gonna stack all these boxes
I
right
want
here.
to stab something so fucking.
No, put it in the trash can. Put it in the trash. All right, you know what? Yeah, let's make a box for it.
Yeah, box right. Okay, so, if we're trying to make it like a PP, make sure that you
What?
box.
Somehow Kaimana
What?
just gets all of the things done when we're out of the kitchen.
Okay,
Yeah.
wait. Okay, let's clean
Unlimited
up the
Kaimana
kitchen.
energy.
Let's clean up the... wait, there's food in here. I was just throwing away
Yeah.
boxes with pepperoni inside.
No, I grabbed most of it. Oh, is that the second?
What else am I missing?
I hear something.
Nothing in here that I need. Where do I buy stuff?
What do you need?
So I was under the presumption that if we're called the one-armed cook, we'd only have one arm. But apparently
Yeah.
we have.
We use only
So-
one arm.
That's retarded. That's like,
You're
why?
retarded.
Ow.
Get used to it, bitch.
Cameron is just pissed.
Okay, where is the? There it is.
Okay, I think our goal now is to just fill the entire room with
Our
boxes.
goal is
tell
to
me
make
why.
Carmona rage quit.
I think we're gonna win. We're gonna succeed in that. I
The burger
don't
one,
wanna play-
okay, when we did the free for all one, the burger actually worked. Somewhat.
Cause I don't have to think. I don't have to deal with these two fucking dumbass.
3.
I'm adding some creamer into the pizza.
Also the fact that we only have one pizza peel. Oh, look at that.
Where's all the mozzarella? Oh, there's the push-up
Putting all the food items on the table. Please do not knock this up.
Where am I?
And there's nothing on the pizza.
I don't know where I am.
Oh no.
Where'd you go? Oh, John.
Robin,
Can you?
help!
Where are you?
Oh, I see. I'm busy stuck. It's
I'm in the truck.
Wait, what?
Wait, what?
Good.
Help!
How did you do this? Oh, hold on, can we blab you? Wait, I know how to help.
Hey, there you go.
I'm out.
Oh, there you go.
Now help me get all this cheese out.
I don't think we need this.
We have like no cheese.
Where's the fucking ladle?
Look at all the free, nice little lats, dude.
Where the hell did my toy
on.
go?
Can we put the lats in the oven?
This
You know what? I quit. I just. You guys work on this on
Why?
your own. I'll be right
Why are
Let me
you
get my
quitting?
phone.
Why are you
one.
quitting?
I have a
thought we
secret handshake with
I
him
just-
now. Look at this.
Can't deal with this shit.
I thought we were a team, Kaimana. I think this place is so shitty that even the lats are dying.
No, this rat did not die. This rat went straight for the cheese I just bought.
I'm trying to put a rat onto the frying pan. Oh,
Ooh. Okay.
rat flavor?
Okay.
That is way too realistic. That is way. No, just make sure Jonathan's come out here while we perform. Yeah, baby.
What?
Oh, it's everywhere.
I'm-
Fucking quit, bro. I'm making them clean. I'm cleaning on them. Oh.
Jonathan!
Stay back! Stay back!
Wait,
Lovey,
Lovey, check this out. Do it.